Welcome back to Cutlass Vibes. Today I'll be showing you guys a little trick. Hey guys, so today I want to show y'all something that I did to this LS1 when we swapped it. We ran it less than 1,000 miles and I was already over a quart of oil low. Over a quart in less than 1,000 miles. So I knew the engine was good. We opened it up. There's not any blow by, anything like that. It was good. So when it started using that much oil, I started to look into everything. A lot of people say to change to LS6 valley covers. Others said you take it apart and you drill I don't know what. And I just didn't want to do all that work. We had already done a lot of work to it. So one thing that I ran across to change the PCV valve. That's it. This is a PCV valve to an LS6. And the old one doesn't have a check valve. It's just a big hole and a big hole. That's it. So everything just goes through. All we did was change to an LS6 PCV valve, which has a check valve at the bottom. That's all we changed. It took a few minutes. We gave it a shot. Said, well, if it doesn't work, we'll have to do the catch can, see if that helps out. So we did that. We ran it. It made a huge difference. So if you guys want to try this, now if your engine is just worn out and has a lot of blow by, you've beat on it just that much, then this is probably not going to make a difference. But if you know your engine's good, in good condition, try this. This was like a few dollars. I got it at the local O'Reilly's. I'll show you the part number in case you're interested in trying it. It won't take but a few dollars and a few minutes, and see if you can see that. If you can't, it says PCV 191. And FRAM, if you want to look for the FRAM, it'll be FRAM FV 191. Here's the front of it. Hopefully it's clear, but this is all we changed out. Huge difference. Give it a shot. Let me show you guys where it's at in the car, okay? Now, I know a lot of you guys know exactly where it's at, but this is directed more towards some of us that don't know everything, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys in case you don't know. Simple swap. I'll show you where it's at. All right guys, so on the driver's side, right here, this is where it's at, right there. That's all it is. That PCV valve, we just pulled it out, got it loose here, put the new one in, and put that right back on. That's all we did. And that made a huge difference. I'm talking about night and day for me. Now, other guys, what I've read, some guys said it didn't do anything for them. It might have been a different situation, but for me, that did it. I've ran this car over 5,000 miles now, and it's done good. Yeah, I checked the oil here and there, and every once in a while it's a little low, but at first it was just going through it like nothing. This little thing fixed it. Quick, easy, minutes. This was a few dollars, like I said. Try it, guys. Might help you out, might fix your problem, at least improve it by 80%. I wanted to give y'all a quick tip. This will be a short video just for that because it made a big difference. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe. That way we can keep growing and continue making more videos for you guys. Remember to keep building and drive your cars.